Hello everybody! We are going to be trying some alcohol inks today. So because I'm going to have to wear a mask, I'm not going to be doing much talking. So just sit back and relax as I have some fun and just try this out for the first time.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all lonely nights, you were always there. At the same damn bar, I just never lose your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Look into your eyes. Blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted, you wanna stay here. Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink. I can't